Alright gang, for 29 we're going to do this by the limit process that we learned in class. So you do f of x plus h first. So f of x plus h is where you replace x with x plus h, right? So x becomes x plus h. So remember, in the formula I showed you for the derivative, you do f of x plus h, which is that, minus all of f of x. Now this is where a student might make a mistake because they don't subtract all of f of x. So make sure you subtract both of these terms and not just the first guy, all over h. So if you recall, the formula is the limit as h goes to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x over h. So now your job is to do the algebra. So you have to FOIL this. You have to distribute this negative. Right? It has to go to both of these terms. And this is all over h. Alright, now you're going to combine like terms. So x squared minus x squared. 3 minus 3. Now you're going to take out the common factor. Okay, you're going to take out the common factor, you're going to reduce the common factor with the common denominator, and at the very end here you're going to plug in 0 for h. So when you plug in 0 for h, you get 2x plus 0, or 2x. And that is the derivative of this function, and the derivative is itself a function because the derivative is not constant, right? Like on a straight line, the slope is always constant. But on a parabola, the slope will change. The slope of the tangent line will change depending on what point you're at. All right, so now we have to find the tangent line of this function at this point. All right, so what you have here is you have a parabola, and they want to know the tangent line. Oh, this should have gone up a little higher. Let's just pretend that's a little tighter in. All right, they want to know the tangent line. Let's pretend this is over here at -1, 4. They want to know the tangent line here at -1, 4. So what you have to do is you have to put that x value into the derivative. Which means that the slope of the tangent line at this point is a -2. But you need to get the whole equation. So you have y equals mx plus b. You have that the y value is 4. You have that the slope is -2, you just calculated that. You have that the x value is -1, and you just solve for b at this point. -2 times -1 is +2. You subtract the 2 to the other side, you get that b is 2. So the slope of this tangent line here is going to be y equals -2x plus 2. That's the equation of this line here that touches the parabola. All right, gang. That's it. Hope it helped. Catch you.